Do you know why some successful companies suddenly lose their customers, their market, and even their entire industry? The answer may be marketing myopia. Theodore Levitt introduced this concept in his famous 1960 Harvard Business Review article. Marketing myopia happens when a company becomes so focused on its product that it forgets the real reason customers buy it, to satisfy a need. Think about the railroad industry. Many railroad companies believed they were in the railroad business, but customers were not really buying railroads. They wanted transportation. When cars and airplanes offered new ways to satisfy that need, companies that failed to adapt lost opportunities. And this lesson is still extremely important today. A smartphone company should not think, we sell smartphones. It should think, we help people communicate, work, create, connect, and access information. A streaming company should not only think about delivering videos, it should understand that customers are seeking entertainment, convenience, discovery, and experiences. So, how can marketers avoid myopia? First, focus on customer needs, not just products. Second, continuously monitor changes in technology, competition, and consumer behavior. Third, define your business broadly enough to discover new opportunities. The biggest question is not, what are we selling? It is, what problem are we solving for our customers? Because products can become outdated. Customer needs do not disappear, they evolve. That is the real lesson of marketing myopia. Stay focused on the customer, or your competitors may become better at serving them than you are.